Welcome to MedVista, your go-to channel for health and wellness tips. I'm excited to share practical advice to help you lead a healthier and happier life. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for everyone. Heart health. Specifically, we're talking about the top 5 cooking oils that are best for your heart, backed by modern research and studies. Choosing the right cooking oil can make a significant difference in your cholesterol levels, blood pressure, and overall cardiovascular well-being. So, stick around as we break down the benefits of each oil and how to incorporate them into your diet. Let's get started. Let's start with the classic olive oil, often called liquid gold. It's a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, one of the healthiest diets in the world. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats. These fats help lower bad cholesterol, reducing heart disease risk. It's also packed with antioxidants that fight inflammation. Choose extra virgin olive oil for the highest antioxidant levels. Use it for salad dressings, drizzling, or baking. Remember, it has a lower smoke point, so avoid high heat cooking. Wondering about other options? We've got you covered. Next up, we have avocado oil, another excellent choice for heart health. Just like avocados themselves, avocado oil is rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels. But what makes avocado oil stand out is its versatility. It has a high smoke point, making it suitable for various cooking methods, from sautéing and baking to grilling and frying. Avocado oil also boasts a mild flavor that won't overpower your dishes, making it perfect for everything from salad dressings and marinades to dipping sauces. Plus, it's packed with vitamins E and K, which are essential for overall health. So, next time you're in the kitchen, reach for that bottle of avocado oil and experience its heart-healthy benefits. Moving on to another healthy option, canola oil. Canola oil often gets a bad rap, but it's a better choice than many other cooking oils. It's low in saturated fat, which is great for heart health. Plus, it contains omega-3 fatty acids, essential for a healthy heart. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure. It has a neutral flavor that won't interfere with your food. Use it for sautéing, baking, or as a base for salad dressings. Now, let's talk about flaxseed oil, a true nutritional powerhouse when it comes to heart health. Flaxseed oil is incredibly high in alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA, an omega-3 fatty acid that our bodies can convert into other beneficial omega-3s, like EPA and DHA. These omega-3s are essential for reducing inflammation, lowering blood pressure, and improving overall cardiovascular health. Studies have even shown that incorporating flaxseed oil into your diet can lead to a decrease in bad cholesterol levels. However, it's important to note that flaxseed oil has a very low smoke point, making it unsuitable for cooking. Instead, use it as a finishing oil, drizzling it over salads, soups, or even smoothies for a boost of heart-healthy fats. You can also add it to dips, sauces, or spreads for an extra nutritional punch. Finally, we have walnut oil, an often overlooked but incredibly heart-healthy option. As the name suggests, walnut oil is extracted from walnuts, which are known for their nutritional benefits. Walnut oil is particularly rich in omega-3 fatty acids, specifically ALA, which, as we discussed, is excellent for heart health. But it doesn't stop there. Walnut oil also contains antioxidants and polyphenols, which further contribute to its heart protective properties. Studies have shown that consuming walnut oil regularly can help reduce bad cholesterol levels, lower blood pressure, and improve blood vessel function. Its nutty flavor also makes it a delicious addition to salads, pasta dishes, and even desserts. Just like flaxseed oil, walnut oil has a low smoke point, so it's best to use it in its raw form for maximum health benefits. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MedVista for more health tips and information. Remember, making small changes to your diet, like switching to heart-healthy cooking oils, can have a significant positive impact on your overall health and well-being. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.